Alright. Alright. So, what up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. So, today we got the bullets live in the building, and I want to unbox them right now in the whip. So, we're going to check them out right now. So, let's get it. If you don't know who I be, I go by the name Wayne Train. My real name is Dwayne Mims. Search it up at the top. Yeah, man, we got the Buds live, man. Samsung Samsung Buds live. And we do unboxings and stuff like this. And if anything like this interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. But without further ado, man, I just want to really just jump right up into this. But real quick, let's talk about the what they got on the back here. We got ergonomic fit. They talking about 21 hours of battery life total. I'm assuming that's with the case. They got a triple mic set up on each bud, I believe, for clear audio. We got active noise cancellation. It's got a new design, as you can see. This is probably the most intriguing part about these buds that I really wanted to check out. Because if these fit the way I'm hearing a lot of people say that they fit, and yeah, Samsung might have something on their hands here, because I think I got them with me. These joints right here, the traditional ones, the other buds that they have, they cool, but they not the best fit for me, especially even with the wingtips. I'm not a big fan of wingtips, but let's go ahead and get up in here, man. Let's just do it, man. I ain't got no knife. Never have a knife. Alright. Alright. Gotta finesse that tape off. Alright, let's just okay, there we go. Bam. Okay. Hold on. No. I'm not going. Yeah, I didn't know there was another piece of tape. Alright, let me see if I can find like a key or something. Let's see. We're gonna cut this joint open. Get that. Okay. Had to get the floss on real quick. Had to get big frolic on them. But I destroyed those boxes. Alright, so here we are. That's what you're looking at inside the box. Ooh. I broke my buds. Nah. Mystic Black is what I got them in. It's got like a nice little sheen. It's actually more of a, it's kind of got a black chrome look to them. I ain't going front. But, so, I'm recording on the S20 Ultra right now. I did want to pair it up with that, but I'm not really going to go through the pairing process just like that yet. I wanted to show y'all the joints sitting in there nice and pretty. I'm pretty sure as soon as I open them, they're going to want to pair up with the phone. But let's do a quick size comparison, though, to the OGs. So, I like this color, by the way. It's a nice black chrome, dark chrome look. But it's a quick little size comparison. They're about, equal in size, but obviously it's distributed differently. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in. I'm gonna let y'all know, man. Let me see. Okay, hold on, man. I know I probably look crazy doing this, but all right, bro. I don't know, man. These joints, man, they right in there. But you gotta get a look. They right in there, so they kind of sit. They rest on that little ledge right there on your ear and right inside the lobe. Let me show y'all what it looks like. We got a mic right there. I don't know if I'm gonna get the focus, but we got a mic right there. And got your little pins right there. But let me throw the other joint in. Let me see. Okay. The fit is for real. I think we got a hit, man. I think we got a hit for the fit. Honestly, look, so fit is so important, man, to these buds. They really are. Like, I think a lot of tech YouTubers and reviewers don't really discuss how important the fit is. So, because look, I got probably one of the best fitting earbuds right here in the AirPods with me right now. Just to let y'all know, like, just to show y'all. Like, it's just for the AirPods, it's just as simple as bam. The only thing about the AirPods is you got that tail. So if you bump that tail, it's a wrap. But, you know, you never really have to worry about them falling out for the most part. They just sit snug. These are right, I think they're right there. Like, it is a little, it's different. And it would take some getting used to. And you kind of like when you put them in, you just drop them right there on that ledge and let them do their thing. So don't overthink it. But the fit is great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pair them up with the phone. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna run through some music real quick, and then I'll let y'all know what's up. So I'll be right back. Man. So whatever configuration that you do get, well, whatever color I'm in, they got like this nice metallic chrome type look on each whatever color. I believe there's only 2 colors, but requires a wipe down from time to time, fingerprint magnet for sure. But you know, case is nice and small, nice compared to the previous gen. Both by AKG, by the way. They ain't leave AKG yet. You know, not too different, but I mean, let's see, compared to the AirPods case, it's still a little bit bigger, but I mean, you know, it's a nice size case. See, still gotta learn the touch controls. So what separates, that Nipsey just came on, bruh. That victory lap. Look, so anybody, I love hip hop, by the way. That victory lap joint by Nipsey, that turns joints up. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts for the most part as it pertains to the Buds Live. Now, I've actually lived with these for a little bit over, probably going on 2 weeks or so. I've been using them at work, just putting them through their paces now. Now this is, like I said, this is about a week or so after all the previously recorded stuff, week and some change. But I'm here to tell y'all, man, these buds here are the truth. They're the absolute truth. Now, they're not the truth for most people would say because of the sound. It sounds amazing, whatever. I like the sound a lot, I do. I don't think they're the best sounding earbuds I've ever had, by no means. That doesn't mean that they're like far off or anything. It's just there's so many like good buds out there that are pretty close in sound or offer some better, you know, things than others, that I'm kind of lumping everyone together in a lot of ways. But the Buds Live here offer something different to me that really, like, that's really got me going, man. And it's this design. You know, I didn't think I was gonna like the way they fit. I love the way they fit.
there's not too many earbuds, like I said in the beginning, that I can open up the box and just put them on and not have to do anything more. The AirPods are the only ones. These are the next ones. And I know it's kind of a weird time to show y'all the contents of the box, but I forgot to mention, it comes with a charger cable, and it also comes with these replacement tips. So stock on the inside, when you first open them up, I can't see. Okay, it comes with this little tiny one that's on there. So right now I have the larger one on the bud, if you can tell the difference. But oh my God, okay, there we go. But I might not be in focus. I apologize. But shoot, I was preaching about the fit all in the beginning of the video. I might have to preach about the fit again, because I feel like these with this larger bud fits even better. And it doesn't, I don't know, man, it's confusing. I don't know how this thing works. It's like it speaks to me. Like, I don't know how these buds fit the way they do. I just didn't think they would. I don't get it. I still don't get it. But, you know, thumbs up to Samsung for making such a great, uniquely designed piece of tech. I appreciate it. And you know, something like this would be definitely amazing paired up with that Galaxy Fold that I really plan on getting. So, like I said, this is kind of like a review, all in one. The Galaxy Buds are a definite, you know, buy for me, and I would definitely suggest you guys go out and get them. Like I said, for somebody like me, I feel like I have a pretty unique ear. As far as, you know, the way these things fit and everything, I think that it's pretty universal, especially when you can pull them out the box without having to do anything to them. Like that usually doesn't happen for me. So, and that's how I just feel like it's going to be a universal fit. They did a good job, and sound quality is great too, man. Very clear. I would say when it comes to the fit, depending on how you put them in, I think affects the sound in some way. Like, it kind of blocks the mics out in certain areas. So just be sure you're putting them in right. Otherwise you might feel like the sound's a bit muffled, but that's not the case. Just kind of adjust them to the point where you can hear everything clearly, and, you know, you'll be all good. But let's before I go, I want to take it to the app, and we can I'm gonna show y'all some of the other features. But out the box, when you get them, it's gonna be a massive updates, all kinds of stuff. Do that, get everything updated, running right on your phone. And let's see here. Okay, so we're back in now. Ooh, I'm so crazy. All right, so now we got to show you got equalizer with different settings. We got normal, bass boost, soft, clear, treble boost, touch controls. Right now I have my left and right set for the volume control. So the right earbud does volume up, you hold it, and then it continuously goes up. Tap and hold rather, and then same thing for the left, but on the left side it goes down. You can edit that to control Bixby or your Bixby, active noise cancellation, or Spotify. For whatever reason, it's just Spotify. You can read notifications back to you. We got some advanced features, seamless earbud connection. I think that was on from the jump. So we got Bixby voice wake up. You can say hi Bixby when you're wearing your earbuds, and it does just that. So I don't really use Bixby, so I think a lot of people don't either. We got to find my earbuds function, tap it. They're already in my ear. They already know it. Looks like they're already in your ear. So one of my favorite reasons why I love Samsung devices or some Samsung wearables and everything, a lot of customization, more than you would get in like AirPods and a lot of other high-end truly wireless earbuds. So active noise cancellation is, going back to that, works okay. Not the most noticeable difference in sound, but you know, like many of them, I think they optimize the sound to be a little bit better when you have the feature on. So if you want to keep it on, cool. I think if it's off, it's not a big drop in quality or anything. So I think you'd be all right leaving it off. But anyway, man, lastly, battery life. I put it through its paces at work. I work through I work a 9 to 10 hour shift for the most part every day. And more times than not, I'm getting through at very least 50% of that without having to like put them back in the case and charge them up. So that's a plus. So anyway, man, great job, Samsung. I appreciate everything I'm doing to these buds, man. I would like to see more stuff, more nice innovation like this. So anyway, man, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Galaxy Buds Live from Samsung. But yeah, man, like, share, subscribe, do it up for your boy. It's your man Wayne Train. Oh yeah, hopefully you guys watched the entire video. I should have put it in the beginning, but if you made it this far, great. I'll put it in a pinned message or a pinned comment or something, but I will be announcing a winner later on this week. Probably around Thursday, maybe Friday. We'll see when the video comes or when I decide to go ahead and record it. But just be on the lookout for that. I'll put it in the pinned comment. If you watch this video, look for that. Comment below. I'll tag the video up top to enter the giveaway. You can still go back in and enter all the way up until that day I decide to do the drawing. So it's your man. I'm out.